Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Jeff Jones Customs. This morning I was showing you how I decided to replace the motor on the sewing machine with a servo motor. Well, I went ahead and I pulled out the clutch motor and its associated parts right there. And there's what you're left with there. And then I put in the servo motor and its controller. And it was fairly uneventful, went pretty easy. And if you remember from the last video, I had that extension on the motor and moved that down rod over to the other side of the pedal so that it would slow the motion of the clutch down. But that didn't work as well as I'd hoped. So I got this off eBay. It was less than $85, I think. And like I said, I'm new to the sewing thing, but I'll give it a go to show you how it does. And this allows me to go much slower than I was before. So that seemed to be my problem with the sewing, is that it just would get away from me, get out of control. So I think this motor will work out much better for me. So there you go, the clutch motor to a servo motor swap on an older industrial sewing machine. Fairly uneventful, pretty easy. Mounts in with the same carriage bolts that the old one did. And but I will say a couple of things. One is, when you pull this big motor out, be very careful. It is really heavy. It's heavier than you would expect. You know, I don't know that it weighs 50 pounds, but you know, it looks like it should be 30-40 pounds, but you know, when I pulled it off the mount, it almost got away from me because it is quite a bit heavier than I really expected it to be. So there you go, guys. If you're considering doing this, I think it's a good thing from my point of view, but then again, not an experienced sewing machine operator yet. So you guys have a great day. Thank you. And be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.